100k variations, but with billions possibilities. In total, I created almost 300 traits, which allowed me to generate billions variations. The concept was inspired by Minecraft, Roblox and Sandbox games. But to make it more original, I added extra light above the head, which symbolizes Ka energy. I designed 15 layers: eyes, skin, upper clothes, t-shirts, pants, bottom clothes, shoes, backgrounds, ties, accessories, hair, beards, also layers for numbers, which generated unique dress codes. These unique 3D voxel characters are made to dress up the metaverse. Each layer is still fully customized, so it's possible to modify the shapes, colors, and add even more traits. Owner of dress code NFTs can download an asset pack that includes the 3D base model in Vox and OBJ formats. This allows to dress up, animate, render, or even use that avatar in the metaverse. If you want to create your own NFT collection that you can sell on any NFT marketplace, such as, for example, OpenSea, or maybe you're interested in buying this specific collection I have already created, feel free to contact me. I can help you design, create and generate unique, 100% original NFT collections from A to Z. All my collections include metadata ERC721, Solana or Cardano.